we're gonna be making a keto chocolate mug cake. This recipe, it's perfect for the late night cravings. It's super easy to make, just in the mug, 90 seconds in the microwave, and that's it. So without further ado, let's jump into the ingredients. The ingredients are 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1/4 cup of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 egg, preferably room temperature, 15 grams of sugar-free chocolate, half teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream, and 1 tablespoon of erythritol. And I forgot to mention, guys, but we're also gonna need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a microwave safe mug, I'm gonna place my egg, my vanilla, and coconut oil. And now we mix it all together. I really recommend to have your egg room temperature because otherwise the coconut oil will clump. Once this is all mixed together, we're gonna add our dry ingredients: erythritol, cocoa powder, baking powder, and almond flour. And now we mix. Once our ingredients are all mixed together, we're gonna tap in the counter to remove all the air bubbles before placing it into the microwave. And now we place it into the microwave for 90 seconds. Our mug cake is all cooked, so I'm gonna transfer it into a plate. To do so, we're gonna need a knife and we're gonna run it throughout the edge of the mug. Once we've done that, we're gonna place a plate on top of our mug, like this, and flip it over. Once it's flipped over, we're gonna tap a couple times, shake it, and your cake should be out of the mug now. At this point, you can eat your cake like that, but because we want it to be extra chocolatey, we're gonna make a chocolate ganache to put it on top of our cake. For that, we're using our chocolate and our whipping cream. Put it on top, and we're gonna microwave this for about 20 seconds. Take it out of the microwave, and we're gonna stir a little bit just to see if the chocolate is melted enough. Chocolate was melted enough, and now we're just gonna mix until the chocolate and the cream are all mixed together. Our chocolate ganache is all ready to go, and we're gonna top our cake with it. Once we have our chocolate on top of our cake, we're just gonna spread it around. So this is it, guys, your chocolate keto mug cake. Look at this chocolate goddess in here. It looks so good. Let's try it out. Of course it's delicious. It's so chocolatey. I love it. So look at this. Super fluffy cake. The chocolate ganache is to die for. Love it. So I hope you guys make this recipe and you like it, and also like the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, turn on the bell notification button, and leave me a comment. If you want to follow me on my keto journey, I will be linking my social media as well. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next video.